220 species in genus Crassula. September 29th. Crassula, Crassula, the jade plant, defines September 29th. Crassula symbolizes luck and prosperity. You bring abundance and good fortune to those around you. Like its lush leaves, your energy is thriving and positive. A world of succulents. My exploration of the Crassula genus. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm fascinated by the world of succulents. Their diverse forms, resilience, and adaptability have always captivated me. Among my favorites is the Crassula genus, a vast and varied group of plants offering a seemingly endless array of shapes, sizes, and colors. The Crassula genus, belonging to the Crassulaceae family, boasts around 200 accepted species. These plants are predominantly native to South Africa, but they can also be found in other parts of the world. What unites them are their succulent leaves and stems, which allow them to thrive in arid environments. Diving deep into diversity. One of the things I find most intriguing about Crassula is the sheer diversity within the genus. From the familiar jade plant, Crassula ovata, with its thick, oval leaves, to the more unusual Crassula perforata with its stacked, fused leaves that appear to be threaded onto the stem, there's a Crassula to suit every taste. Some Crassula species, like Crassula muscosa, have a creeping growth habit, making them ideal for ground cover or hanging baskets. Others, such as Crassula arborescens, can grow into impressive shrub-like specimens. The variation in leaf shape is equally remarkable, ranging from the rounded leaves of Crassula rupestris to the pointed, almost spiky leaves of Crassula tetragona. This diversity isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it also reflects the adaptability of the genus. Different Crassula species have evolved to thrive in a variety of habitats, from rocky outcrops to coastal cliffs. This adaptability is part of what makes them such popular houseplants. They can tolerate a wide range of conditions, more than just a pretty face. While I admire the beauty of Crassula, I'm also drawn to their resilience. These plants are incredibly tough, able to withstand drought, heat, and even a bit of neglect. This hardiness makes them ideal for beginner gardeners or those who don't have a lot of time to dedicate to plant care. But don't mistake their toughness for simplicity. Crassula can be surprisingly nuanced in their care requirements. Some, like the jade plant, prefer bright, direct sunlight, while others, such as Crassula helmsii, thrive in partial shade. Understanding the specific needs of each species is key to keeping them healthy and happy. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My continued fascination. My journey with Crassula is far from over. I'm constantly learning new things about these fascinating plants, and I'm always on the lookout for new species to add to my collection. The world of Crassula is vast and varied, and I'm excited to continue exploring it. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, I highly recommend giving Crassula a try. These resilient and beautiful plants are sure to bring you joy for years to come.